Hello and welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my easy recipe for creamy rice pudding. Start by rinsing your uncooked rice in a fine mesh strainer under a running tap. This will help remove any impurities and ensures the final product is as clean as possible. Next, add 5 cups of milk to a medium-sized pot and bring to a gentle simmer. Once the milk is barely simmering, add the rinsed rice together with salt, ground nutmeg, and cinnamon. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat while stirring it intermittently to prevent the milk from scorching. When the liquid has reduced by half, reduce the heat to low and add in your sugar to the rice. Continue stirring until the sugar dissolves nicely. Let the pudding simmer until the mixture is slightly thickened and creamy in just about 25 to 30 minutes. Now this is the texture you're looking for. At this point, you're sure the rice is very tender. Simply take the rice off from heat and then whisk together 1 large egg and 1/3 cup of whole milk until frothy. Add a little amount of the hot pudding mixture to the egg and mix again until nicely combined. Slowly pour the egg mixture over the cooked rice while whisking constantly until completely combined. This will help ensure the eggs are fully incorporated and you don't end up with scrambled eggs in your final dish. After that, place the pot back on the stove and cook the pudding for an additional 3 minutes over low heat. You want to make sure you are stirring this frequently to avoid any lumps from forming. Once you're happy with the consistency and the outcome of your rice pudding, go ahead and remove the rice from heat, then stir in vanilla extract. The rice pudding doesn't have to be too thick. Once it can coat the back of a spoon or reach the consistency of yogurt, you can take it off from heat. Remember, you can always add more milk to thin it out if it is too thick. And now it's time to serve this creamy rice pudding. I love to serve mine while it is still warm. And also you can top your rice pudding with some raisins and a little bit of ground cinnamon before serving. This looked really creamy and it tastes really amazing, and I hope you try it out and let me know what you think about this creamy rice pudding recipe. If you love this video, please remember to give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I would love to see you in my next video. Until next time, bye!